In this video, we're going to look at Makartt's Glitter Jelly Polygel Kit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. Thank you for joining me for another review today. And like I said, we're going to look at this Makartt Glitter Jelly Polygel Kit. Let's go ahead and just open it up. So first, I really love the aesthetics of this kit that they put together. That ombre look is just like everything, okay? All right, let's see what colors they have in here. So there is 1261, and this is like a clear glitter color. There's a pink in here as well, which, okay, pink and glitter. Yes, you're doing it. Next is 1263, and it's a blue color, a blue glitter. And the last color in here is 1264, and it's a purple color. Very nice. All right, this kit also comes with a base and a top coat. I'm just going to show you guys the consistency, and I like to show the consistency, the color of these, because I know there are some people who are new to this type of product, and I really like to give a full review every time just so people know what to expect. There's also a 180 grit file in this kit for you, and a brush / picker tool. So on one side we have a picker, and some people call it a spatula. Then on the other side there's the brush, and this is what you're going to use to help you move that polygel around. And underneath all that product we have some dual forms. And they put the dual forms in a nice little package and in a nice little container for you so you can stay organized. I'm just going to show you guys how they look because I am not going to put them on. I'm just going to swatch these colors for you guys today. Here are the instructions, and as always, you guys, read your instructions. You never know if they're come out with any more warnings, any new product updates from the last time you got a product similar to this one. So I always like to remind people it's always a good idea to read those instructions. Next, I'm going to be using my label maker today, and like I've said in previous videos, label makers come in handy for a lot of different things, not just to keep your nail polishes organized. You can use them for crafts, to keep your office organized, all that. One thing I will say about label makers is they tend to leave that extra paper on the end that you end up wasting. So always try to print out as many labels as possible at one time. All right, you guys, if you've made it this far, please go ahead and hit that like button if you're enjoying my content, and remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Also hit that notification bell, and hitting that notification bell will update you whenever I upload a new video. So some things you'll want to have handy is a dapping dish or some type of dish that you can put your liquid in, such as isopropyl alcohol, because this did not come with a slip solution, so I will be using isopropyl alcohol. You can also use the base coat as a slip solution, which I had recently learned from a fellow YouTuber. Hey, Glitter Polish Nails, thank you so much for this tip. I don't know who came out with it, but it's awesome. You guys try that method, it works. So right now what you see me doing is burping my brush, and what burping your brush is it will get out all of those air bubbles. It'll also clean your brush and get it ready for usage. So you'll want to do this especially if you have a new brush. All right, you guys, let's get to these colors, okay? Because that's what you came here for, right? All right, so the first color is this clear type of grayish glitter color, and this is 1261. Isn't it just beautiful? All right, so I'm gonna lay it on my swatch for you guys. And make sure you're saturating your brush really well in that alcohol before you're trying to go in there and move around this polygel, because it is very stiff. As you can see, the swatch kind of bouncing up and down with the movement of the brush. It just kind of shows you how sticky this polygel can get and how firm it is as well. All right, the next color is the pink one, which is of course one of my favorites. And this one is 1262. Let me know which ones you guys are liking so far. If you're a pink person like me, pink is definitely the one you're gonna love. And like I said, these are the jelly colors. So as you can see, they kind of have that like, I don't know how to, like that natural glow to them, that natural light going on. And they're not dull looking at all. Okay, so next up is blue. And this is like a really nice type of night sky look, like astrology, I guess, came to mind. You could make some really cool astrology nails with this. So beautiful. So I want to know, have any of you tried any of Makartt's polygel kits, and how did it go for you? Have you tried this one in particular, and did you like it? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Also, are there any brands of polygel that you really like and that you find are very easy to work with? I would really like to know that too as well, because I kind of want to branch out and try out some different things for you guys, some different products. All right, so here is number 1264. It's the purple one, and it is the last color in this set. If you guys know me, I'm not that fond of purple, but like I said before, and I've said several times, you put glitter in something and you're just good to go. Okay. And this is a prime example, because I would definitely wear this color. I would definitely put it in some type of design. It's just so beautiful. Let me know which one of these you guys like the most. I will be using this lamp today, you guys. If you don't have a lamp, this is a really nice one. I'll leave it in the description below. So I am going to cure these for 2 minutes. I cured it for a minute and they weren't quite hard yet, so I went ahead and cured it for another minute. So 2 minutes should definitely do you good with this polygel. All right, here are the final colors. This is the first one. There is the second one, the pink one. Very nice. There's the blue. Look at that. Just look at it. And the purple one. These jelly colors are just amazing to me. Okay, next you guys, I'm gonna show you the top coat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the underside of these swatches, and then that way you guys can get kind of an idea of the quality of this top coat, the shininess, all that good stuff. So you guys, if you made it this far, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me if you haven't joined Just Doing Nails yet. Also, if you're enjoying my content and would like to see more, hit that like button for me, and remember to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new nail product review. So I cured that top coat for 60 seconds. So here are the final colors after that top coat. Very nice. So my thoughts on this product is it was very great. The quality was great. The colors were wonderful. I didn't have any issues putting it on the swatches or anything. The only downfall I would say is these bottles are extremely small. You do not get enough product, I feel, for the amount of money that you pay for it. Other than that, it is a great product. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber to Just Doing Nails if you subscribed, and thank you for joining me today if you decided to hit that button. I'll see you guys on my next review.